This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video. Welcome to our video on how to use the ID.me program. Many government websites, programs, and services are now requiring digital identity verification programs. ID.me is one that is in use today. We hope to make your life just a bit easier by knowing how to use this program. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Welcome to our guide on using and logging into the ID.me verification system. In this video, we'll walk you through each step to ensure a seamless experience. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ID.me website. Once there, locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account first. Select the Create an ID.me account and fill in your email address and a secure password. Make sure your password is strong. Follow the prompts to submit your information. You will receive an email confirmation. Check your inbox and click on the verification link provided to activate your account. For returning users, simply enter your email and password on the sign-in page. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. ID.me will send you a password reset link to your registered email address. Now, let's move on to the identity verification process. After logging in, you might be prompted to verify your identity, especially if you're accessing services that require confirmation. ID.me offers several options for verification. You can choose to verify through your social security number, driver's license, or passport. Select the most convenient option and follow the instructions carefully. Ensure that the details entered are accurate and up-to-date to avoid any issues. For document uploads, use a clear and current photograph of your ID. Make sure the image is not blurry and all information is visible. The system will process your verification, which could take a few minutes. Once your identity is successfully verified, you will receive confirmation both on the website and via email. Finally, for added security, consider setting up multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection. ID.me allows you to use methods like text message confirmation or an authentication app. Choose your preferred method and follow the setup instructions. And that's it. You're now ready to use the ID.me verification system with confidence. Remember, should you encounter any issues, ID.me offers support options on their website to assist you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.